Hey everybody, this is Kevin with All Star Medical, and today we're going to talk about the Buzzaround CarryOn Power Wheelchair. This is made by Golden Technologies. This is their newest power wheelchair. For what I've seen on the market, it's the only mid-wheel portable power wheelchair on the market. And what I mean by that is when I go sit in this chair, you'll notice that there are actually 6 wheels on the floor at all times. And the main wheel is right underneath me. So this gives me ability to turn really tight. The turning radius is actually 21 inches on this. It has a ground clearance of 2 inches, has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. So it's a really nice unit. It's easy to drive. The seat is actually 18 by 17, but between the arms here is 19 inches. So it's got a lot of cool features. Flip the armrest up, just like that. You can put the joystick on the right or left side. It has a place to plug a USB port in too, so if you need to charge a phone or tablet, you can do that from right here on the actual arms. The other feature that's really neat about this is I have lights. So you'll see the lights here on the front, and then you'll also notice them on the back. The casters, the main drive wheels, are 7.5 inches, while the other casters are 5.5. Your overall length is 38 inches, and my overall width is only 24 inches. So it's easily going to go through any door frame. At 24 inches, you're not going to have a problem getting through any door frame at all. So that's going to be really nice. The entire unit is only 46 pounds. So we'll show you how this breaks down here in a minute. I've got a couple other specs I'd love to go over with you. Your warranty, something that's a little different than Golden usually does, is they only give you a 5-year warranty on the frame. Typically it's lifetime, but on this one, it is only 5 years. The drivetrain is 13 months, the electronics is 13 months, and the battery is 12 months. But again, this is a nice little unit here, easy to drive. In this next little segment, we're gonna go and show you how it disassembles. So we're going to show you right here how the actual chair comes apart. First thing I want to show you is here's your joystick, which is pretty standard across the industry. You got your horn, you've got the ability to adjust the speed right here, and then it's got your battery life. Also gives you the ability to charge from the joystick here. So real easy to deal with there, and then that's your on and off button. So pretty simple. When you want to disassemble it, they have a little pouch in the back here. You can put your charger in here or anything like that. But there's a lever right up front here that I just pull up on and then simply raise this up. Now what's unique about this, you'll notice that the joystick wiring goes right into here. And then that's on top of this. Usually you have a wiring hardware that goes all the way down, but this is different. So the seat is actually a little different component there, but it's pretty easy to put in and out. You've actually got a place here and there, so there's 3 holes that this goes into. This seat does not pivot. So my seat right here weighs 22 pounds. The battery that I've got right here, and I'm gonna take the front basket off, which is a pretty good sized basket. So you can put a charger here or other stuff here. It's a nice little accessory piece. But I can take this battery off, 6 pounds. It's a 12.5 amp battery. It's FAA approved. I can also charge it right here. So I can bring this in the house or wherever I'm at and just have my charger in this, and I don't have to take the whole thing. There's a pouch that comes with it, so I can actually put the battery in there. So when I'm traveling on airlines, I can have this separate. So nice little feature there. And then if I want to keep flattening this out, all I have to do is push down. Now the purpose of this device was made for cruise lines. They actually did this, they do a scooter like this, the CarryOn scooter, and they made it so you could slide this underneath a bed on a cruise ship. It's only 10 inches is the max height right here. So that's a nice little feature that you have. The total weight of this is 46 pounds. So it's not very heavy. It's actually pretty easy to grab hold of. You can use it and kind of slide through it. and move it around fairly easy. You've got where if you needed to put it in neutral, you could, just by taking that, and then you can put it in neutral and push it around if the battery went dead or something like that. There's your brakes to disengage or engage the motors. But you'll notice a little bit of flex on this mid wheel. This gives you the ability to, when you're on maybe a little bit rougher terrain, that you're gonna have all 6 wheels on pretty much all the time. So that's a nice little feature that people don't realize can really benefit you. You have 2 inches of ground clearance. Again, all these are key factors that really help make this unit unique. So I hope this information is helpful, and we'll get into a little bit more right after this. So another great feature that Golden has done is, typically you see these devices, they're red and blue, and they do come standard red and blue, but you have a couple optional colors here. You have white, yellow, gray, pink, green, and tan. And so a couple different colors that are a great little option to add to that if you just want something a little bit different. Again, the uniqueness about this is the turning radius and affordability. You can get this from us at allstarmedicalusa.com. I'll have this in the description below. I'd love to get your feedback. We've literally had this for about 48 hours, so we haven't had this chair very long, but I think we're gonna have a lot of people really enjoy this, and I hope we get some feedback from you on this video. And you can always call us if you have questions or you'd like to order by phone. Our phone number is 615-258-6778. And as always, we really appreciate you watching, and have a great day.